Hey guys, and welcome to the AirPods 4 unboxing video. Real AirPods 4, brand new, still sealed, just bought them today. Oh no. Oh no. Tab ripped. And here they are. Oop, I lied. I thought they'd be up on front. I've never had a pair of AirPods in my life. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. I've never had AirPods before, so this is a completely new experience for me. Oops. So on first look, they're not heavy, pretty slim. I mean, yep, USB-C. Let's have that super satisfying click I've heard about. Oh my gosh, that was nice. Okay, there they are. That is satisfying. Apple, I gotta give you credit. iPhone XS to the rescue. While we wait, let's clean up some of this. Oh, I forgot. Do they give you Apple stickers with AirPods? Okay. I'm gonna need this. I've never used AirPods before. Just more manuals. No Apple stickers. Come on, Apple. Those are my favorite part. Looks like our iPhone XS is ready. I don't know how this works, guys. Is it just... Oh. I guess it's doing the thing.
I don't know anything about this, Apple. Give me some help. What's going on here? I did. I double tapped like 100 times. Come on. I just dump them out. Come on, I did. I did the thing already. They're not doing it. They're not doing the thing. Oh, there it is. Okay, let's put them in. I hear sounds. Okay. Looks like they're ready.
Let's get listening. Of course. Ooh, oh my gosh. I am hearing new tones that I've never heard before. Oh my gosh, guys. These are magic.